Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to use the turtle command and what it is and some basic commands for the turtle command. So turtle is basically like the graphics center of Python. So it basically just does graphics, so like drawings and stuff like that. So I'm going to teach you how to use turtle. So first if you watch my last lesson, I told you how you can like use the import file. So you just do import. Oops, sorry. So I opened another thing. Okay, so now I'll type import, and then we type turtle. Oops. So sorry. So I will do this instead. Now I will alt escape this page and now I will type green equals turtle screen. Okay, sorry. So I will just go and one moment. So I would go and screen equals turtle dot screen. And you see this opens a new page, the Python turtle graphics page. So let's just move this a bit to this. Let's just minimize this. Okay. Now I will do some simple commands. So I will just type a simple command like turtle right 90. So it will point the cursor down. Now I will do turtle dot forward 90. Now let's open this page. As you see, it has moved down. So I will repeat this command again by pressing the up arrow, and I will just keep doing this. And as you see, we got here. So we will repeat this command one more time. And we have made a complete square. Now let me tell you something else we can use in the turtle command. So what we can do is you can do a command called turtle.bg color, and then equals, let's do red. And then we'll just do turtle.bg color, and we'll just do this instead. And as you see, the screen turns red. Now let's do another one called light blue. Let's do one more. Let's do maroon. Oops, sorry. So maybe, okay. Okay, so now that we've done that, I will tell you some other things we can do with the turtle. So we can also move the turtle back. So how I would do that is turtle dot backward 90. And as you see, it moved backward. It moved that way. So if we want to remove the graphics, you do turtle dot clear. And there we go. But what if you want to turn it white again? Pretty simple. You just do this. And let's open this tab. Okay, so if that error is happening on your device, you can open this. There's a quick trick I'll use. So let's just find the command that says screen turtle screen. And now if you click it, it can show up. Okay, perfect. Now let's do another command. So let's do let's do turtle dot circle. Oh wait, sorry. So I will do this instead. Like 5, for example. Sorry, so we don't need to use the double quotes. Let's just click enter. There we go. Now as you see, it made a tiny circle. We can also make it 50. And if it's not opening, we can open the turtle screen command. The screen equals turtle screen. Okay. Now let's do turtle circle. Okay, if it's causing that error again, we just do this. And as you see, it made a circle. So if we want to make a bigger circle, you can absolutely do that. So I will just enter 5. Oops, sorry. So I will enter 500. And as you see, it made a circle very big. So to do another thing, let's just do turtle dot clear for a moment. Okay, so now let's double check it. Okay, so now we can do another command called turtle pen up. So one other command you can use is the pen color, not just the background, but now we can do blue, for example. Let's do forward 90. Let's just find the command turtle dot forward 90 and let's open the screen. As you see, it has changed the color, so we can use this command again. Turtle pen color green, and then let's do turtle dot left 90, and then let's do a turtle forward 90. So as you see it will do this. So I will just do the slash the clear, the turtle dot clear, and there we go. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much it today. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about the turtle command and some basic commands you can use with it. In the next lesson, I'll probably talk about more advanced commands and a bit of code you can use to make a turtle drawing or image. I'll tell you a bit more advanced commands. Thanks for watching my video, and until next time, have a good time.